Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to iTouch App Reviewers. In this video, I've got a pretty cool one for you guys. We're going to be taking a look at the studio quality microphone. So here it is. The brand name is Fifine, and I do want to thank them for sending this out free for review. Here is a look at the microphone itself. You guys can see it's got monitoring, volume, and mute. Nothing here on the back, but I'm just going to use the little unboxing knife here. Open this right up, and we will see what we've got inside. So as you guys know, we've reviewed many different mics on this channel, and I'm always open to checking out more. This is a very premium unboxing experience. So right here, we've got a little customer card as well as a user guide, which hopefully we don't need. I don't think we will, but it's nice that they include that nonetheless. In here, we've got some foam protecting the microphone, and here it is looking very nice, and it's got a nice weight to it. There is the microphone itself. So you guys can take a look at that. Nice little volume knob right there. Very nice design. I really like this. So let's see what else we've got in the box. So I'll take this out, and it looks like we've got one more little packet here. And yeah, so in here we've got a bunch more of the stuff. We've got a little mounts. We've got some connectors, as well as the filter right here, which is awesome that they include that, especially for this price point. Big thumbs up for that. So let's go ahead and get this set up. I'll show you guys what it looks like. So installation of this tripod took 2 seconds. I just screwed it right into here, and then these pop out like this. And you can just set this up however you want, however is convenient for you. So that is awesome that you can do that. I'm going to go ahead and put this filter on and see how that looks as well. All right, so this is starting to look like a real microphone here. I've got it all set up on the tripod with the filter installed. This thing looks professional. So I think the only thing left now is to test the audio quality and see how it does. So let me go ahead and get this set up. I'm going to have to unplug my Blue Yeti, which I'm using right now, and we will switch over to this one and see how it sounds. Right now, I'm speaking directly into it about 8 inches away from my mouth. I'm going to go about 2.5 feet. So now I'm speaking 2.5 feet away from this microphone. Now I'm going to bring it up really close. So this is like 4 inches away from my mouth. And now I'm going to just set it up here and walk away. Now I am 5 feet away. Now I'm 10 feet away. So do keep in mind that the volume is at 50%. So if I up that all the way, so this is maximum volume, and so here is how it would look on your desk. So you've got it sitting like this. It really does look like a professional microphone. And now I've taken it completely off of the tripod just to give you guys a better look. So now I'm speaking behind it. I'm going to speak closer to it, kind of like how you would normally speak if you were talking into a microphone for an interview. But this is kind of how it would sound. Let's switch back over to the Blue Yeti and finish up this review. So what did you guys think of that audio quality? I just did a quick little sample and checked it on my own, of course, before editing and just on my basic Mac speakers. But this sounded incredible. I am blown away with how good this sounds for the price. This is easily in my top 2 or 3 for studio microphones. This sounds really good. So for vocals, interviews, just voiceovers like this, I think you're really gonna like this. And it's the full package. It comes with everything you need. It's got the little tripod mount. It's got the filter. It's got the awesome quality microphone. It's got a mute button. You can change the volume on the fly. And of course, it's got monitoring with this headphone jack right here. This is the real deal. So definitely check this out. It feels super well made. This is not some cheap fabric. This is actual metal right here. Very, very good microphone. I'm going to double check all that in the review here, and I'll put some text on the screen. But from what I've heard, this is an awesome microphone. Definitely check it out. Links down below. That's all I got for this video, guys. If you liked it, hit it with a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.